Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arifanyoladwopo Daniel, and today I'm bringing you another amazing news on how to make money online. Today the topic for our video today is the new USDT shopping site that is launched today. Make money online, free USDT earning sites. So today I'm going to be introducing you to a new USDT shopping site that just launched recently and will help you make significant and huge amount of money online for yourself. So this video is going to be talking about the latest update on cryptocurrency. We have about three altcoins that has just been released from the crypto space. Cryptocurrency is no longer a new information to you guys, because during the age of Bitcoin, when Bitcoin was about to be released, this was how it came out as a new altcoin, and a lot of people took it for granted. But now, if you check the value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the other types of coins, they have gone up significantly, and they are now costing a huge fortune to acquire. Now, I'm going to be showing you the free USDT earning sites, the USDT mining site as well, and all that you need to do to to plug in into this new opportunity, into harnessing this new opportunity. So I'm moving to the next page. I'm going to read the first coin that has just been released is the the Tiger Drop. The Tiger Drop is a very powerful coin that's has just been released. And you know, one interesting thing about the Tiger coin is that it's very easy to set up. The Tiger, look at it on this. This is an analysis on how to go about the Tiger Drop. The Tiger token or top or turn airdrop. You say Tiger is the first meme taken on turn with a utility. The coin will become the main game resource in the future game from Pixel God, and you can mine it right now. So all these coins are just coming out, they have just been released, and this is the best time to acquire it at a huge scale, so that you would be able to gain significant advantage over others who are not tapping into this opportunity. Now, how do we go, without so much time, how do we go into tapping the opportunities that rise in this particular coin? Now, the first one is how to get rewarded. Install this Telegram bot. You have to install the Telegram bots here. Then when you install this Telegram bot, you subscribe to channel to get 100. When you subscribe to that channel, the Telegram bot channel, you are going to be getting 100 tigers. So then you make retweets to get additional 100 tigers. Wait for your reward distribution. So it's a very simple and easy way to make the money online. And you know, the beauty of it is that I've made this thing so easy for you, such that all the links to join this particular platform and begin to harness up the opportunity in the crypto space from this particular new coin that has just been released is just right before you on the screen. The link is https://t.me, but don't worry about this. I've already linked everything down in the comment section below. So now let's go to the next coin that has also been released. So if you join it now, you are going to be getting 100 Tiger coin, which you can continue to grow and keep mining until you are able to make as much as you would want for yourself. Now, the next coin too that has been released is the Near Wallet Mine Hot. The Near Wallet Mine Hot is a new generation Telegram wallet built on Near. So what am I saying about this coin? They say the Near Wallet Timecoin, just like the word time is equal to money, from what we see here. The more you mine into this coin, the more money you are able to make for yourself. These are some of the numbers that some people are making. Some people are making on this coin. Some people have made 18,500,000 coin, and so on and so forth. Of which, when you convert them into your wallet, you are going to be enjoying a whooping amount of money in your account. So now look at another example here. We have the story 24 hours for everyone. you'll be able to make a claim after 60% completion. So all this coin, the funny thing is, if I show you my wallet, you will be amazed at how much I've been able to make from all these crypto platforms. So but all of them have a condition. Like for this one, for you to be able to mine out of your Timecoin, and for you to be able to reclaim your Timecoin, you must have made you for you to be able to make you will be able to make a claim after 60% completion. So that is just how it is, and all these platforms are very easy to navigate through. And now let me go to the third Bitcoin top cryptocurrency. These are my referral links that you can just easily tap into, because all these referral links that I've posted here, if you go through them, if you register through them, which I've linked in the comment section below, you are going to be getting another whooping discount. You'll be getting a huge amount of incentive, as well as myself. I'll be getting some referral commissions from you guys. But when you guys follow through this link, you will get a lot of benefits from it as well. So the third coin that has also been released is the Timecoin. Mine your time. So it's just like saying time is money. And these are my referral links here. Invite your friends and get bonuses for each invited friends. So definitely I'm going to get a bonus from you guys, but then you guys will get a whopping amount of benefits from it, and you also have my referral commissions as well. So let me just say one or two things about this particular coin. Like I was saying the other time, the name of the coin is what did I call it then? I said it is mine your time. So this coin is this is the best. This is now the new way people are making money online. There's no more time to start struggling and stressing yourself on acquiring the cryptocurrency, acquiring Bitcoin, which is very expensive. To acquire a Bitcoin now is almost about $20,000, if not more. So this is just another opportunity that is coming to you. This is just now. It is now that this coin just got released now, and it will be better for you to acquire. You see, can you see that this article just came up 4 minutes ago? This article, odds to mine odds. How to mine odds using Near wallets on Telegram. So all these links are Telegram links that when you join them, it will take you directly into my Telegram group where people are mining the coin odds. And if you are on this group, you will also have the opportunity to mine your own coin as well. Now, this meet Near wallet on Telegram. So this is Telegram group, and if you quickly join the group now, you will be among the first set of people to enjoy the huge benefit, the huge amount of coins that will be released between now and the next 1 month. $1 billion coin is going to be released on the mining platform for anybody who is smart enough to enjoy to mine as much cryptocurrency or as much coin that you can mine while it is still available for mining, before it now becomes inaccessible to anyone and you now have to acquire it by purchasing the coin. Now acquiring this coin is for free now, and you have to go and jump on it before the value is over. So the not coin success showed that Telegram has a fairly active audience. So the Near token team created this Telegram wallet, and now you can get the hot token inside Telegram's app. So you see what I've explained since morning is just exactly what is displayed on the screen. So these are the processes that you have to go through to acquire each of those coins. Level 0 wooden storage, 2 hours free. So just like that, you follow each stage until you are able to get 10 altcoin, and you move to the next stage and you continue to increase your coins till you become a millionaire or even a multimillionaire using this cryptocurrency. So that is just what I want you to know concerning this special opportunity that has just been released. So if you have gotten value from this channel, kindly subscribe, write a comment section below, write thank you in the comment section below so that I can know that you have gotten value from this particular video. And also I would like you to comment in the section, write down in the comment section below what other type of make money online videos you would like me to create, so that I can see them and do and follow suit in what you are requesting me to do. All right, we'll talk when we see again. I'll be open to receiving your comments. Thank you for your time, and we'll see in our next video.